Welcome to the learners of Human Resource Management. I am Dr. Sudarshan P., Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Aid College, Beltangadi. Today we are going to take up session 1 of Unit 5 of, of first BCom second semester Human Resource Management. The title of the topic for this session is Meaning and Definitions of Performance Appraisal or Performance Evaluation. In the previous session, we have learned about training, executive development, right? So on the job training, off the job training, on the job executive development, off the job executive development, and other topics. In the chapter is performance appraisal. Under that, first session is meaning and definitions of performance appraisal or introduction to performance appraisal. Now, every human resource management department has responsibility from the job analysis to the compensation of employees, which covers almost all areas. That means human resource management functions are very vast, right? So here, performance appraiser is also one of the functions of HR manager. Now, we will try to understand the meaning of a performance appraisal. Introduction. Employees ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಯ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು EMPLOY EE'S ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಯ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಎಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರಫಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ರೈಟ್ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳ employees performance evaluation is a key part of the function of staffing. So performance evaluation is the key function or important function of staffing, as the evaluation is a key part of the function of staffing, as the evaluation serves as a basis for judging the contribution and weakness of employees so that continuous efforts can be made to build a stronger and more effective organization. So from the point of view of organization, we have to build a stronger and more effective organization by the continuous efforts of our workforce towards the same. Therefore, employee performance evaluation means measuring the relative merits and demerits of something, right? So ಹಾಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನ ಪರಾಮರ್ಶೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಅಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಅದೊಂದು ಕೀ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, as the evaluation serves as a basis for judging the contributions and weakness of employees. What is the total contribution that particular employee to the organization, and what are the weakness of employees? To judge the same, we have to have performance appraisal so that continuous efforts can be made to build a stronger and more effective organization. Okay, now meaning. Performance appraisal is a systematic process. ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೆಲಸದ ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Performance appraisal is a systematic process in which the personality and performance of an employee, is assessed by the supervisor or manager against predetermined standards or predefined standards. So before performance appraisal, HR department has to fix the predefined standards. What is the standards? Standard performance. Then you have to try to understand what is the actual performance. Then you have to compare the actual performance with the standard performance. Then you will identify the deviation. It may be either positive deviation or negative deviation. There are three types of performance normally. One is at standard. Second one is above standard, and third one is below standard. So as a HR manager, I need not much worry about the at standard performance and above standard performance. I have to give concern for the below standard performance of an employee. In other words, performance appraisal is the process of assessing the performance. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅಂದಾಜು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ, ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡುದು. ಆರ್ a group of employees on the given job as well as their potential for future development. I repeat, in other words, performance appraisal is the process of assessing the performance or progress of an employee or a group of employees on the given job as well as their potential for future development. Right? Assigned job plus their potential for future development. This can be understood by a process called performance appraisal. Therefore, it is a systematic process which includes actual performance and potential performance of an employee in the organization. Next, definition. According to Delius Beach, performance appraisal is systematic evaluation of the individual employee with respect to his or her performance on the job and his or her potential for development. So according to Delius Beach, what he says that performance evaluation is the evaluation of individual performance on the job and his or her potential for development, whether they have potentiality to develop in subsequent jobs or higher level jobs. To understand this, we have to go for performance appraisal. According to Edwin B. Flippo, performance appraisal is a systematic, already I told, periodic ಸಮಯ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಯಮಿತ ಕಾಲಾವಧಿಯೊಳಗೆ periodic and so far as humanly possible, the impartial rating of employees. Humanly possible impartial rating of employees means some kinds of prejudice may be there or some kinds of such loopholes may be there, but humanly possible. Beyond that limit we cannot have exact evaluation. Humanly possible, the impartial rating of employees excellence in matters pertaining to his present job, his excellence in present job and to his potentiality for a better job, his potentiality ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ for a better job. ಸೊ ಈ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಪೋ ಅವರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಂದು ನಿಯಮಿತವಾದ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲಮಿತಿಯೊಳಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುವಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಿಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ ಒಬ್ಬನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ, ಅವರ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆನ್ಸ್ in matters pertaining to his job and to his potentiality for a better job in the future. So these two aspects are measured in the performance appraisal as per Edwin B. Flippo. Next, according to Alford and Beatty, it is the evaluation or appraisal of the relative worth to the company of man's service on his jobs. relative worth of the company of man's service on the jobs. So when man works on that, it will definitely gives worth to the company, and we are going to measure the relative worth, not absolute worth. It cannot be measured. Relative worth to the company of man's services on his jobs. From the above definitions, we have referred these definitions. Some common aspects will be there. That is, performance appraisal is a systematic evaluation of individual performance or present performance and future or potential performance. Present performance on the job, present job, and future performance on the better position in the future. Okay. So from the above definition, it is clear that performance appraisal is a systematic and orderly process. Systematic and orderly process to evaluate the performance of personnel or staff in terms of requirements of job. In terms of requirements of job, how the personnel have performed, and that evaluation, that is measuring the merits and demerits of his performance, is called as performance evaluation. Now, what are the benefits of performance appraisal? When you are measuring the job in terms of standards of quality and in terms of potential performance of an employee, then what are the benefits or benefits of performance appraisal? It can be studied under different heads. Under that, benefits to the organization. How performance appraisal will benefit the organization? Under that, point one, identify where management can improve working conditions in order to increase the productivity and work quality. By having performance appraisal, we can understand the minus in performance of of our personnel, and we will study the reasons for such a poor performance, right? Maybe working conditions or any such matters that may result in poor productivity or poor performance. So by having performance appraisal, management can identify where management can improve working conditions in order to increase the productivity and work quality. So it acts as a check post for us as far as management is concerned. Second one, it addresses the behavioral issues before they impact departmental productivity. By having performance appraisal, we can understand or can get some insight about behavioral issues of employees before they impact on departmental productivity. When if you know all these matters in advance, you can have control over it. Therefore, performance appraisal help us to address behavioral issues before they impact on departmental productivity. Next, third one is it encourage employees to contribute more by recognizing their talent and skills. So when you go for appraisal or evaluation, we can understand the employees in a better way, and we especially their talents and their skills are known to us. So it encourages employees to contribute more to the organization in the form of by motivating them in the form of recognition. Next, fourth one, support employees' skill and career development. So performance appraisal tells the lack of skills to a particular employee, and therefore he can improve upon that. And it ultimately help him or her to achieve career development. Career development. Next, fourth one, performance appraisal improves strategic decision making in situations that require layoffs, succession planning, or filling open roles internally. So when you are having performance appraisal report in you, what happens is whenever layoffs happens, you can leave those employees or retrenchment of those employees who are below standard, or succession planning, or even filling open roles internally. So these ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಕೆಲಸದ ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಣಾ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟ ಮತ್ತೆ ಉತ್ಪಾದಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡನೇದು ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ತನೆಯ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನ, ಮಾನವೀಯ ವರ್ತನೆ ಅಂಶಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅವುಗಳು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳುವ ಪ್ರಭಾವದ ಮೊದಲೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಮೂರನೇದು ಅದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಅದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ನ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ಔದ್ಯೋಗಿಕ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆರಿಯರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಉದ್ಯೋಗದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಅಥವಾ ತಂತ್ರ ನಿರ್ಣಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಕಂಪನಿ ಲೇ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಕ್ಸೆಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಓಪನ್ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು, recognize and acknowledge the achievement and contribution made by an employee. So each employee's contribution to the organization and his knowledge, his achievement is recognized by the company, and his contribution to the company is also identified or recognized, and definitely it motivates them to do better in the future. Point number 2, it recognizes opportunity for promotion or bonus. So those employees who are above standard, or they have performed above standard, will get better opportunity in the form of promotion, or they may even get financial incentives in the form of bonus and all that, right? That benefit is there. Next, the third one, identify and support the need for additional training or education to continue career development. Most of the cases, whatever I studied in now very past, it may become obsolescence now. Therefore, whenever you are doing performance appraisal of existing employees in the organization, the skill required and the skill possessed by the employee, that gap can be understood. And as a result, we can have training and development programs correctly, so that it will be beneficial to the employee to continue career development. Next one, it determines specific areas where skills can be improved. So performance appraisal shows the lacking part of job or job of employee, and that gap, that skill gap can be improved by having performance appraisal. Next one, it motivate an employee and help them feel involved and invested in their career development. So it motivates. As a result, employees will get the feeling of involvement or commitment towards the organization. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಅವನ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಗುರುತಿಸಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೋನಸ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಗುರುತಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ದ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಕಲ್ಪಿಸ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸ್ತದೆ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿಯ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯವನ್ನ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಐದನೇದು ಈ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಸಲ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಯದ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲಸದ ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಅವರು ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಕೆಲಸದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ದೇ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದೇಯರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಹೂಡಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. So, performance appraisal, as I said, it is a systematic process where we are going to measure the performance of an individual employee by adopting some techniques. So, such kind of performance appraisal is beneficial to both the management and employees. So employees will be benefited out of that, and the company is also benefiting out of that. Therefore, it is now having any plan to performance appraisal is beneficial both to company and employees, and that always ensures win-win concept to both the parties. So with this, I concluding this session. Thank you.